Do you forget your line anytime you're recording a video? And CapCut Teleprompter is no longer free, but I'm going to show you a free option to use instead.
Wow!
Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about editing class. What am I saying? Number one is, okay, editing is going wrong. This helps you speak confidently, stay on track, speak faster without memorizing your script. This method works on phone, so you don't need to pay for any subscription. Make sure you watch this video till the end. This app, you can see edit. This app is from Meta, so as long as you have Instagram, you'll be able to register for this app. So once you head over to your edit, oh god, then you click on this button, this round button here. That's a camera recording button. It's going to take you to where you record your video. So as you can see here, so you see this option here. You can even remove your screen anytime you want to record and import. That is, if you want to import one screen, you can change it there and import any picture you want it to be on the screen. But that is not what I want to show in this video. So you're going to click on this last option, that's a teleprompter. You will now paste your script. Place done. So as you can see how the line is going, but you can correct the speed and also your text. Maybe the text is more bigger. This is where you adjust the speed. You want it to be going faster, you can bring it up. If you want the text to be applying bigger, you can bring it, but I want it smaller. And I don't want my text to be speedy, because if you're speeding, you won't be able to get time to talk. So bring it down till the end. So once you're done, then you can now place this recording and start talking. Do you forget your lines anytime you're recording a video? CapCut Teleprompter is no longer free, but I'll show you a free option. So this is how you'll be recording it, reading it, and you don't be looking directly to your camera. No difference. If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button and follow us for more editing tips like this and more AI content like this. Thank you.